Welcome to the video walkthrough, 26 Torbay Street, Griffin. As you can see, we're an elevated block. So you look down the street, you're on the higher side of the road. You can see down the end there, this is a no-through road, so it's only local traffic. They have done extra parts to the driveway here, so you actually can get two cars on the driveway. The garage is a single, but inside it's a single and a half, so it's a 1.5. You do have extra storage. You've got security cameras up there. Beautiful facade. Nice timber doorway as we come through. Third bedroom on the right here. So you've got mirrored robes. You've got fans, downlights, blinds. Nicely carpeted. Lovely room. We go back through. To the left here you've got the garage. As you can see, it's bigger than a normal single. You've got a fair bit of space for storage. It does have solar and NBN, and you've got a door out to the back down to the side of the yard. Bedroom 2, same thing, mirrored robes, carpeted, fans. This one's set up as a nursery. It is a young family that's in here. The property was completed in late 2020 and they're relocating. You've got separate toilet, nice modern bathroom, beautiful fixtures, nice sized bath and nice cabinetry. Keep coming through. You've got internal laundry, so it's not in the garage, it's a beautiful internal laundry. You've got stone benches, plenty of room there for your washer and dryer, and cupboards under the sink, across there, and a nice closet storage type cupboard. You do have access out to your clothesline, big hot water system. Everything's really nice and neat on the property. Come through. Now we have a media room on the left here. This is a nice size room. It could be used as a fourth bedroom. You could put a robe across the front here, built-in robe, and have this as a fourth bedroom. It does have a sliding door. So awesome for second living in a 3-bedroom house. Kids can have their area, adults can have their main living room. Nice big fridge recess there. You've got that's a nice big fridge, so it's a good size. Once again, you've got nice fixtures, double basin, Westinghouse dishwasher and oven, nice big oven, electric oven. A lot of cabinets, a lot of bench space, stone benches. And you've got an awesome walk-in butler's pantry, perfect for all the things that you want to put away, microwaves, coffee machines, air fryers, toasters, and there's plenty of shelves as well as underneath cupboards. So you've got plenty of cupboards in the kitchen. Really is the heart of the home. As you come through, you've got a nice dining space. This is a big 6-seater table. Pendant lighting as well. You've got aircon in the living room here. They've got a TV up on the wall, so it's nice and simple. This is the master. The good thing about this, the master's at the back. You've got the other bedrooms at the front, so you've got that privacy. Master, it's air conditioned. And then you've got beautiful space through here. His and her walkthrough with robes, mirrored robes. As we go through, beautiful ensuite. You've got his and her shower heads, nice big shower, cabinetry, basin, toilet, really nice size. So it's a lovely master suite. You come back through, you can open up the doors, 2 door lengths, so it's a nice wide space to walk through. You got a nice area out here. Everything's rocked. Got the kids' toys down there. So you've got a little gate down there as well, pedestrian gate. The back neighbour is higher up, so you've got beautiful privacy here. They've got the plants and vines starting to grow. The backyard's nicely turfed. Colorbond fence down both sides. So no timber fencing. You've got the sleepers there for the retaining wall. And like I said, beautiful and private. Fan out the back as well, down lights, beautiful space to entertain. Perfect for young families, couples, investors, retirees. Great little home. It's going to be very popular. That's the tour.